In this class, I want to show you how different some words can become when we add the Spanish accent or when we omit it. Some people say that in Spanish the tilde, the Spanish accent, is almost irrelevant, and that's definitely not true. Not only it shows us how to pronounce the word, that means that if we omit the tilde, if we forget to write it, the word will be pronounced differently, but also the meaning can change. So these are just a few examples, just the ones that fit in my whiteboard, but there are many, hundreds of words that change the meaning, whether you put the tilde or not. Okay? So let's start by reading and seeing how this changes. Okay? The word mama means mom, right? Like mother. The word mama without the Spanish accent means breast. Okay? The breast is mama. Okay? You also have pecho, okay, which is more generic, while mama means more the gland. Okay? Papa for dad and papa for potato. Más means more, and más without the accent means but. Like, for example, when we say, but I didn't go today. Mas no fui hoy. Okay? Más is a synonym in Spanish of pero. Okay? So pero and más without the accent both mean but. Okay? The word sí for yes. Sí carries a Spanish accent. But if you omit the accent, this sí means if, the if conditional. For example, if you come home, I'll prepare some coffee. Si vienes a casa, prepararé café. Okay? Same thing with él and él. Él with the tilde means he, the personal pronoun. Okay? While él without the tilde means the. It is the article, the masculine article in the singular, él. Like, for example, el libro, for the book. Now with me, the pronouns, me with the Spanish accent means me. Like, for example, esto es para mí, this is for me. While me without the Spanish accent means my. Like, for example, this is my book, este es mi libro. Let me write it down. Este libro es para mí. This book is for me. This book is for me. Okay? This book is for me. Me is me with the Spanish accent. While este es mi libro. Okay? For this is my book. Okay? So my in Spanish, me without the Spanish accent. Same thing with este. Okay? Este with the Spanish accent is not the same thing as este without the Spanish accent. That means este without the Spanish accent is used only when the demonstrative pronoun is followed by the object, okay, by the noun. So these are just a very few examples of how the meaning changes, whether it includes the accent or not. I hope this class was useful. Remember, if you want to learn the 4 rules of the Spanish accent marks, you'll find them in the index of lessons in my course.